Hi, I'm Bethan. Welcome to Videojug, and this is skating in 5 easy steps.
There are many different turns, such as mohawks, brackets, choctaws, counters and rockers. The turn must flow easily and be skated on the correct edges. The 3-turn turns you from forwards to backwards, or vice versa. You turn from one edge to the opposite edge on one foot. The mark left on the ice will show the number 3.
So here's how to do it in 5 easy steps.
Step 1. Keep your heels together, feet in the T position, bend your knees and push off. Step 2. Skate forwards on an outside edge with your weight over the front foot. Keep the same arm forwards as the foot and the other arm behind. Step 3. Rotate the arms and shoulders until the opposite ones are in front. Bring your free foot to form a T with your skating foot. Step 4. Rotate your hips to the inside of the circle to turn onto the backwards inside edge. Your feet remain in the T position and your head stays in position. Step 5. Glide backwards on an inside edge.
So here's a few tips to help you and a few things to avoid.
Keep control of your hips, shoulders and body weight. Do not move your head when turning from front to back. Keep your shoulders relaxed. And don't over-rotate your body after the turn.
And here are those key steps one more time.
Keep your feet in a T position. Skate forward on an outside edge. Rotate your arms and shoulders. Keep your feet in a T position. Turn your hips and glide on an inside edge.
So now it's up to you to try it out, practice it, and have fun adding it to your ice skating moves and techniques. And if you enjoyed this, follow us on Videojug's YouTube channel for more skating in 5 easy steps.